Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am your health and life insurance consultant Kajal. In today's video, I will talk about the most important lessons learned from the COVID-19 pandemic. But before starting the video, I would like to request all my viewers that please subscribe to my channel, like my video and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest update regarding my videos. Let's start today's video. Few months ago, the entire world was thrown back by a pandemic brought by the COVID-19 virus. From being forced into our homes to hearing about the loss of countless lives, the journey since the beginning of the pandemic has been full of lessons. There is a high need for motivating people towards taking care of their preventive health care. A percentage of those who know about health insurance schemes still face difficulty when putting in money, and very few go ahead and end up investing in a wrong plan. The pandemic has proved to be the much needed push for all of us to invest in the right health insurance plan. You can say healthcare certainly is the biggest reason to invest in an insurance scheme, but it's not the only purpose. Financial coverage for medical treatment serves a strong purpose too. Along with this, income tax benefits on policy premium is a financially motivating factor for people to go ahead and buy one. Apart from this, health insurance companies have started to ramp up their services by providing some additional benefits to the customer with the insurance cover like wellness programs, rebate on premium for multi-year plans, fitness sessions, etc. that further added to the mass awareness of health insurance in India. For medical and these additional reasons, the sale of insurance plans in India post-pandemic rapidly increased to 55% as compared to 32% before the pandemic, showing a positive sign of the increasing consciousness of preventive health care in the people of India. Now, digital is destined to be the way forward. Periodic lockdowns in various parts of the country gave an unprecedented boost to the adoption of the digital medium for almost every possible thing. Buying health insurance online in the digital healthcare system also gained a lot of fire during the pandemic. This was followed by the need to enhance online portals and increase awareness for digital adoption by the masses to ensure seamless, quick and hassle-free health insurance policy adoption. Furthermore, growing digital adoption is becoming crucial because it helps to centralize information for better management, creates a personalized journey for customers, simplifies and improves the entire process of buying health insurance, made it much easier to compare policies across platforms and get in touch with customer care for immediate help. Digital adoption of health insurance has now come into the limelight, and it will certainly be the only way forward. From buying a health insurance policy online to renewing, cancelling or even porting it to another company, digital will serve as the key medium for all our health insurance needs. Health insurance schemes are the need of the hour. As per the latest National Family Health Survey, NFHS 5, the majority of the Indian states have less than 50% households having one member covered under a health insurance scheme. Half the population has still been unaware of health insurance even in 2021. One of the biggest reasons for such low coverage in India has been credited to the lack of awareness amongst people about the benefits of health insurance policies. Moreover, since medical insurance cover is optional, those of us who have been made aware are still reluctant to buy one because of the unlimited benefits that health insurance schemes carry with them. The biggest lesson learned from the pandemic is to be financially protected, as a medical emergency can arrive anytime, that too unannounced without proper planning. Uncertain event can leave us with a personal and financial grief and unplanned liabilities at the same time of an emergency. You must keep in mind all the above mentioned factors before buying or renewing health insurance. It is important to ensure that a plan is comprehensive and provide us with all the coverage to suit your requirements. Friends, there are 34 companies that are selling health insurance, and each company has its own 10 plans. So when people search on Google, they get a call from online portal. The more people they talk to, the more they get confused. People have a lot of confusion about which policy is best, which plan should be bought for the family. But the most important thing in a health insurance policy are the new plans, in which you get more facilities, you get more coverage, and you stay updated with every coming benefit. But whenever you take policy online or policy from banks, you are not updated with all these benefits, because your policy may be old one, or maybe many things which should have been in the policy are not covered in it. And if the same happening with you, then you should consult us to update your policy and find out how you will get the policy with more benefits. By this we mean to say that if you already have a health insurance policy that you have bought online or taken from the bank, then you can consult us on how to update that policy and get good benefits. So friends, this was a little information about most important lessons from the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic. To know more details about this, you can contact us with the help of a number shown up on the screen. You can contact with me through that number. Friends, that's all in today's video. Hope you found the information given in this video really beneficial. We will continue to bring important information related to life and health insurance for you. We want to thank you all of you wholeheartedly because of the continuous contribution of you people. Today our channel has completed the family of more than 13,006 lakh viewers. All the people who are connected with us in this journey, stay connected with us. And if you are new on this channel, then please subscribe to our channel and be a part of our family. Thank you for watching this video.